Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you the whole process of how to cash out from Timebucks platform. Remember, Timebucks is an online platform where you can earn money by playing games, completing surveys, watching ads, watching videos from YouTube, and claim free gifts every day for free. Registration is for free and you get into it. Okay guys, let's get into it. This is the dashboard of the account. Now what you need to do is to click on this. Okay, click on that inbox. It will open. Once it will open, you will find the notification below here. I can see the notifications here. You will find a notification that shows that you have received payment, because payments are sent daily, Monday to Friday. As long as you have $3 in your wallet, in your earnings, as your account balance, definitely the payment will be sent automatically to your account or withdrawal address of preference. Remember, the withdrawal supports PayPal and the crypto like Binance, Bitget, OKX, and many more. Okay, now once you see the message like this, you see like this, this is the message we got. This one here. Today I have been paid. Okay, this is another withdrawal. I've withdrawn severally. Okay, you can go through my videos. I've withdrawn severally. I have the videos on how to register for free, and guys, it is recommended to use Google. Okay, register via Google and you get $500 immediately. I have videos on how to do everything in my YouTube. Okay, once you see the message like this, you click on it and you see exactly how much they have sent to you. Okay, so you see the message here, Timebucks, the payment of 3.06 has just been sent. Okay, me, I set PayPal as my account, so which means the money has already been sent to my PayPal account, email registered. Okay, so let's go to email. So now you can see this is our email inbox, and you see the first email here is time pay via Tremendous. So you click on it like this. Once you click on it, you can see here, hi, you have just been sent 3.06 USD. Please redeem it. So to get your money into your PayPal, this money is not yet inside your PayPal, it's just in your email. You need to redeem, then it will definitely arrive. Okay, so let's click redeem it. Guys, you can see we sent 3.06 USD. Okay, so now you need to redeem again. You click here again. Okay, you'll have to confirm your details like this. Okay, you have to confirm your details by repeating the same email again. Repeat the same email as the one that you registered in PayPal, so that they'll be sure that the money will reach you and you are the right person. Okay, you are the owner of the account. Okay, now you click transfer. Okay, let's wait for it to complete, guys. It usually takes just seconds to arrive. We are sending the money to your PayPal. Your money will arrive shortly to the PayPal account. We can only refresh this page here and to see if they have already sent the money. So you need to keep on refreshing. Once you see the money sent, then you go back to your PayPal, you check the money, then definitely you have the money. You see here, your payment is complete. Your money arrived to the PayPal account. So guys, let's go to the PayPal now and check if the money has arrived. Okay, the PayPal here is PayPal. Let's click on it and see if the money has arrived into your account. Okay, then notification again, accessible pin. I wait for it to load. It will definitely open and you will see the amount sent. Okay, it's loading. Now we click view the balance. You can see, guys, the money has already arrived into our account. You can see we have 3. You can see here. You see here. You see here. And we have 3.06, the same one that we saw on the email that's been sent. Okay, that's the process. Simple and easy. Guys, thank you for watching my video. remember to give it a try. Okay, try it. It is free for charge. Okay, once you have $3, cash out. Guys, thank you for watching. Remember, subscribe to my YouTube channel, then turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first person to get the video whenever I post. In my channel, I only post and share legit websites that pay real money online.